the Blizzard Sheeva 9 with me here, and it's all new construction for this year, and it's fallen in line with the men's new construction. It's got an awesome turn initiation, and it's really playful, so it likes to be feathered through the turn, so you can have a lot of fun with it. You don't need to park and ride it. It's like feathery and floaty. It's really happy at speed. It likes to just kind of be let loose a little bit, so that makes it not demanding on your legs. You can just kind of cruise and have a really great time. It's really great for all mountain skiing. We sold plenty of them to backcountry skiers, so if you're looking to get out the back or you're going travelling, this would be a really great companion.